Greetings everyone. So if you have the Dyson Air Purifier and you know you can control it to your Amazon voice assistant, there's some routine that you may not be taking advantage of. So let's go over them right after this. Okay, so let's dive right into the app and look at some of these routines that you can use with your Dyson Air Purifier. So we're going to go into routines as usual. Then we're going to hit the plus sign. We're going to name this routine Dyson. Now we're going to choose what happens next. Now what we're going to do for when this happens is choose schedule. Normally we choose voice, but this time, like I said, we're going to use schedule. Then we're going to choose a time instead of sunrise or sunset for this particular example. For this routine example, I want it to happen every single day. Now we're going to choose a time. So we're going to select time, and then I'm going to choose 9 p.m. and 2100 is 9 p.m. So we're going to click OK. And then we're going to click next. Now we want to click an action. So we're going to add an action, and then I'm going to go down to smart home. Once I get to smart home, I want to click all devices because I want to see my Dyson Purifier, not just the lights and group. Now on top of my list, I see my bedroom Dyson. Click on bedroom Dyson. Now, as you can see, you have a wider selection to choose from. This wasn't really part of the selection at one point. The only thing you can really do is voice command to tell your Dyson to do certain things. But now you can schedule it to do things that you would like to do at a specific time. So at 9 p.m., I want my Dyson to go in night mode. Night mode will slow the fan speed down and it will dim the display so it won't be so bright in your eyes if you're a person who likes to have the room very dark. So we're going to choose night mode. Night mode is on, and then we're going to choose oscillate. Or you cannot have it oscillate if you want to. So if you don't want oscillation, you can just turn it off. But I'm going to leave mine on. I also want it to go in auto mode. Now, if it's already on, it's going to initiate all these things. You can choose the fan speed and you can choose the power. So if your Dyson is off, you can power it on. Mine is usually on in auto mode. So I'm just going to turn on these specific features to make it do what I want it to do at that time. So now I'm going to click next. Now that routine is set to come on at 9 p.m. every single night of the week because that's when I want it to go into night mode. Once you're done with the routine, you always want to click the save so it will end up on your list. Okay, so now that the Dyson is set for night mode, I just have it named Dyson. Now we want a daytime mode. So we're going to click the plus sign again, and this time I'm going to say Dyson, and then I'm going to put day. Then I'm going to click when this happened, and then schedule, at time. Normally I'm up by 7 a.m. So I'm going to say 7:00, which is 7 a.m. Every day of the week is fine. Click next. And then I want to add an action. So I'm going to go down to smart home again, all devices, bedroom Dyson, auto, night mode off, oscillation on, next, save. So there you go. Those are the two routines that's going to control my bedroom Dyson from now on a schedule. So at 9 p.m. it's going to go into night mode, which is going to dim the light and slow the speed down. And it's also going to oscillate in auto mode. Come 7 a.m. it's going to go back into regular mode by turning off the night mode. It's going to be in auto mode and the oscillation is still going to be on. Okay, so there you go. That's what I wanted to show you, the stuff that you can do with your Dyson as far as setting it up on a scheduled routine. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. If it was helpful to you, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. Thanks for taking the time for watching. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.